everybody, I'm Saion Gupta, developer of the game Space Ring. I'm going to demo this game today in front of you. This is the splash screen telling us all the instructions. Here we have, this is telling that this is the player, these will be the enemies, and this will be the power up. Up arrow to accelerate, left arrow to rotate left, right arrow to rotate right, and space key to fire. Press S to start, we press S to start, and now the game has started. We are going to accelerate and we have beautiful sound based on every event. On the top of your screen you can see all the stats about in the game. Score, how many enemies are left, how many lives are there, and on which level are you, your health, and the track of the player event. That I right now hit the enemy missile, so it is telling that I hit the enemy missile. Now I will go to the power up to increase my health. My health was increased by 10. I have 3 lives, there's only 1 enemy left, and my score is 80. And here is the mine. There are 3 types of enemies: a mine that will sit on its place, a hunter that will attack us, and then a surveillance who will run away from us. So let's kill this mine. Oh, and okay. So now we are on the level 2. Oh, we are still on the level 1. We have lives too. I thought we killed the enemy. Now let's just try to shoot him. And we shot him and we are on level 2. You reach the next level. Now here's a hunter. We hit him with a bullet. Nice. We press space to shoot, and then here we see a mine. There's a mine. There are 2 mines over here. So let's just kill it. And we are on level 2 right now. We have lights too, and I'll just take on a power. Okay, so this is really cool. Now let's just jump on to where we have lives 1, and we are on level 6. On level 35 we are on level 7. There are 35 enemies now, and we have only 1 life. And our health is already 50. It is very difficult now. Okay, so let's shoot. And just to tell you, the enemies also shoot. The enemies also shoot bullets, right? The enemies also shoot bullets. The enemies also shoot, right? Different enemies will shoot. Okay, and we ran out of lives because it was so difficult, right? As you can see, we ran out of lives. We lose. Our final score was 110. Thank you everybody. I hope you liked the game.